Hi, this is Alex with Designs by Blue Star. Today I am going to walk you through this quick rental property maintenance log. Here is the blank one, as you can see, and then here is the example we're going to fill out right now, and this will be included with the template. Here we go. Property address. Let's make up some information. Apartment 3, city, state, zip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Square footage. Why not? And rent. Okay, here's our date for our maintenance. Obviously, I'm going to fill this out as an example. You would want to fill this out as you are getting the maintenance done. So, the day you do the maintenance, you fill this out. Either you have your handyman or you write this on a piece of paper. This will be available in a PDF, so you can always have the handyman just write on it. It'll also be available in Google Sheets and Excel. So if that's easier, you do you. If I could type. Functioning. All right, now we're in February and we are going to add our February maintenance that we had done. And here it says service provider. If you don't have someone else do it, you could write your handyman, Bob, or whoever, or you could leave it blank, completely your preference. So I think you guys get the idea. That's how that works. This is a one-page document, um, just meant for you to be able to use for a quick place that you can see all your maintenance in one spot. Should have been 2024. The nice thing about this is you don't need a new maintenance log for each year. You can just have an ongoing one. So, once you've been doing this a while, you could have stuff from a couple years ago and look back and see where you are. And then the other thing is, so this is for 1234 Main Street. I can rename this 12345 Main Street Apartment 3. Right click, move or copy, create a copy, and then click move to the end. And now I can make this for apartment 4. And there you go. And then you can go ahead and delete this. And, maybe this is a 2 and this is a 1 bath, square footage, and rent. So you can have a separate tab for each of your rental properties. As always, this template will be in the show notes. A link to it will be. And if you have any questions or comments, or you need a specific template and can't find one and want one built, reach out to me. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.